Meaning of hitchhike.
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 Hitchhike. Hitchhiking is the act of obtaining a ride by standing on the side of a road and signaling passing vehicles to stop and offer a lift. It is typically done by people who are traveling long distances and don't have access to their own transportation. Hitchhiking can be a risky activity, as travelers are placing themselves in the hands of strangers. While it can be an adventurous and cost-effective way to travel, it is important to take necessary precautions and exercise caution when hitchhiking, particularly in unfamiliar areas or countries with higher levels of crime.